welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I'm going to make a cake inside my Tupperware Stack Cooker. It's going to be a carrot cake with the German chocolate frosting on the top with some walnuts. Well, let me bring you in closer to show you how I'm doing this. So easy. I'm using a box of carrot cake mix. Let's put that in here. Then it called for 3 eggs. Dump that in there. And I'm going to use, if you're doing like a spice cake, you would use apple pie filling, but I'm just going to use some of this crushed pineapple. Now, this is not sharp. I took the lid off with my Tupperware can opener so that I wouldn't cut myself, because I've been doing that lately. That, and I don't want my spatulas to get all cut up from the top. So, alright, so that's all it takes for in here. So let's get this going. I haven't made this yet. It was my concoction to think, oh, something different, something out of the box. I'm just going to blend it in good, like you would a normal cake mix. This is all nice and blended. Make sure there's no cake mix in the bottom. Oh, it smells amazing. Alright, so I took the foil off the coconut pecan, and I'm going to put that in the microwave for about 25 to 35 seconds. Okay, while that's going, I have these beautiful walnuts. So I stuck some in my mini pro chopper. I love this thing. And we're just going to fine chop it. Not too fine. Just enough to... I want some nice chunks in there, but not too much. You know what I mean? That looks good. Alright. So now I've got my Tupperware Stack Cooker. Let's see if this is done. Gooey enough for me. We gotta have it to where I can pour it almost. So that's why I'm microwaving it. So I'm gonna stir it up. And I think that's good enough. Alright, so we're going to set that aside. Now my stack cooker, I'm going to use this part. That's your strainer. And this is your 3/4. I'm going to use the nice big one. The reason I'm using this is so that the microwave will penetrate, hit this, and ricochet back. But I'm going to do a little cheat thing here. I got some Pam. Because I'm using the topper and stuff, you don't need to spray, but I'm going to because I want to make my topping stick to the bottom. It just helps a little. Okay, just like that. Alright. So whatever you want on the top is what you're going to sprinkle in first. So let's put some of these little nuts in there. You see what I'm doing? Like so. Hang onto the top. Brush it around a little. Okay, now I'm going to take some of this and pour it around the top. And what's going to happen is this is going to ooze out over the top of the cake mix. I'm hoping. So you guys are with me on this ride. Let's hope this works, right? Kind of spread it out a little. I know normally you use cheesecake frosting, but I didn't have any on hand. So that's what it's looking like so far. Okay, let's take the rest of these and dump it in our cake mix. Let's not let it go to waste, right? We'll move that aside and fold those in real quick. Nice and folded. So now we're just going to take this and layer it around. I should have used my little, yeah, I see I made a mess already. chopper, Power Chef chopper, and then I would have had a nice easy way of doing it instead of messing up my big old KitchenAid bowl. But I didn't. Okay, so we want to get all of this out. Sorry I'm in your way. So you have a nice clean bowl. Why not? That's flavor, right? That's food. Let's not let it go to waste. See that? Let's get that off of there. Then we're going to carefully spread this around nice and even, because my cakes have been coming out uneven because I haven't been doing this. Oh, it smells amazing already. There we go. Alright. I'm a perfectionist, and y'all know that. I gotta wipe down my sides. I got any over there? You don't have to do that. That's just me. Alright, I think it looks better when it comes out nicer. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to put it in the microwave, uncovered, for 11 minutes, and we'll be back. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I did put it back in for another minute and 11 seconds. And look at it. Now we gotta let it sit for 3 minutes. Don't touch it. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, be back in 3 minutes. Been 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna make this look pretty. I got this about 3 years ago with Tupperware. It's just a cake holder thing. You can put it this way or that way. It's really nice. It keeps everything in place, but I'm gonna do it this way so I have the little edge. Alright, so I'm gonna use this. Actually, I'm going to tip it over this way, so in case anything spills out. And then hold it, flip it, and let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. This is very, very, very hot. Just saying. Especially with that hot sugars. Oh, it looks beautiful. I'm going to use this to grab a hold of it and pull that out. And look at my beautiful cake. Done in 12 minutes and 11 seconds. And it smells wonderful. But I'm going to let it cool. Okay, I thought I'd bring you along for this. So I see the frosting that's oozing out. Just going to take that and stick it towards the middle because I want all that goodness stuck right in there and not on the edges. My goodness, the smell is amazing. All right. So my cake concoction worked, and it looks so beautiful. Level it off a little. We want that to go all the way around. Yum, 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 yum. There we go. I kind of like it peaked up a little. All right. So it's cooled down enough. I did show you about the middle. And then that's just enough to where you can kind of twirl it around. You all know if you've made a bundt cake before. And if you haven't, this is how you do it. All right. We put this on like so. We open this up all the way, the cake carrier, because this is the one that you can either have it down low or up high. And then you click it to where you hear it, and then it would go on the sides, like so. Clip it down, and it's ready to go. So, how do you get one of these awesome Tupperware stack cookers? By joining my team. Now, I'm not gonna offer you any extra bonuses from another company. I'm not that way. You join my team, I stand beside you, we work together. This offer ends by, I wanna make sure the dates are right, it starts March 30th and ends by April 26th. Contact me. Or go to the link below. Click on Angie's Pantry.my.tupperware.com and you can join that way too if you don't want to get a hold of me. But get a hold of me so we can work together, get you activated. Get this wonderful Tupperware Stack Cooker for 35 bucks. I know, right? Crazy. And then you can make your own beautiful cake in 11 minutes. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. And as always, thank you so much for always standing beside me when I'm doing my Tupperware demos and all that. You guys are awesome. Big hugs from my pantry to yours.